Good morning, first graders. Happy Tuesday. Let's go ahead and get started with our blueprints for today. So tomorrow you will be reading the story called Fireflies for Nathan. Fireflies for Nathan. So I can't wait to share with you some more information about fireflies today. You'll be learning a little bit about fireflies in our reading lesson and even more in our story tomorrow. All right, our theme concept is we can do it. Our strategy is to summarize, and our skills looking at the order of events, what happens in the beginning, middle, and all the way to the end. All right, let's take a look what it means to summarize. In my own words, from beginning, middle, end, I tell the story to my friend. All right, yesterday we stretched, so today we're going to do those cubes. Here we go. First word, hatch. Good job. Next word, wait. Great. Next word, more, or actually, what is it? Oh, yeah, more. I was going to say most, but it's more. Here we go. More. Next word, joy. Here we go. Joy. Oh, wait a minute. What am I doing? I am totally doing it backwards. Silly Mrs. Heald. I'm going to not give you joy anymore. I'm going to give you a different one. Ooh, you guys would love this word because you probably have lots of them at your house. Here we go. Oi. There we go. All right, let's take a look at those prefixes again. Let's see if we can remember from yesterday. Prefix, D-I-S. Sound, dis. Meaning, let's see if we remember. Right, get your finger up like you're going to say not, like no, no, no. Ready? Not or apart. Take your hands like you're doing not and then pulling something apart. One more time. Meaning, not or apart. Here we go. Prefix, R-E. Sound, re. Meaning, again or back. Suffix, ed. Sound, d, t, or ed. Meaning, happened in the past. Great job. Suffix, f-u-l. Meaning, or no, not meaning yet, sound, full, meaning, full of. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at those words. So I've got my prefix dis, and it could go in front of the word like disappear, which would mean something to like not appear anymore, right? So I could say, for example, Claire did a magic trick and she made her toy disappear. All right, my next one is re. Let's look at my base word. We've got appear, so reappear. So with this one, I could say, after James saw Claire make her toy disappear, James did a magic trick to make the toy reappear. So that would mean appear again. All right, we've got our suffix of ed, which means it happened in the past. So my base word was streak, and then ed. I could have Lucas painting a picture, and he streaked the paintbrush across the paper. So that means it happened in the past, like maybe this morning he already did it. All right, and my suffix full, which means full of, I've got my word helpful. And I could say Penny is so very helpful with her mom and keeping an eye on those caterpillars at her house. So that means she's full of help. All right, irregular words. Are we ready to do it? Here we go. My turn, minute. Your turn. All right. In a whisper voice, spell minute. My turn already. Your turn. In a spooky voice, spell already. Great job. My turn above. Your turn. All right, let's do like yesterday. Put your hands in your lap, and with every word I want you to, or sorry, with every letter I want you to reach above your head. Pretend you're grabbing that letter that's above your head. You could even clap the letter above your head. Clap it between your hands. Here we go. Ready? Hands in your lap, ready to reach up for each letter. Spell above. Nice job. My turn. Against. Your turn. All right, let's push against a wall again today with each letter. Just push that letter against the wall. Spell against. Nice job. My turn. Caught. Your turn. All right, with this one, let's go ahead and snap out on your fingers. And if you can't snap, go ahead and clap. Snap or clap the word caught. Great job. My turn. Pulled. Your turn. All right, get that imaginary rope. Are you ready to pull it? Pull each letter towards you. Here we go. Spell pulls. Nice work. My turn. Head. Your turn. All right, let's go ahead and stomp out. Get your feet ready. I want you to stomp on the ground. Stomp the word head. Spell head. Great job. Ooh, big word. My turn. Everywhere. Your turn. All right, everywhere is a compound word. We've got the word every, and we've got the word where. All right, for everywhere, let's go ahead and clap it out together. Here we go. Clap out and spell everywhere. Great job. Next word, we've got four more. My turn. Gone. Your turn. All right. In a big giant voice, spell gone. Nice job. I don't need a turn. Take a look at this word. You can do it. What's the word? Yep, you said it. Do. Close your eyes. All right, let's spell do. Nice job. All right, let's see if let's see if you can just word on your own. What is it? Hopefully you said your. All right, here we go. This time, if you want to, close your eyes. If not, keep your eyes open and you can tap out on your lap the word your. Good job. Last one is from. Yep, one more time word. From. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and in a little old voice spell from. Awesome, guys. Here we go. Let's take a look at those sounds. Here we go. Sound. Yep, you should have said R. Sound. Or. Sound. Or. Sound. Should have said Sound. Yep, one more time. Sound. Again. Good job. Sound. Should have done oo or Sound was O. Sound. Should have said ah. Sound. Yep, E. Sound. Should have been O or ow. Two sounds that one can make. Sound. All right, here we go. Day 2. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Good job. Pond. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. Word. Yep, you should have said croak. Sound. Sound. Should have been oo or Let's see. Blend. Sound. Blend. Is it good or good? Yeah, it makes the sound. Good. Sound. Sound. Remember that IGH says I. Blend it. Nigh. Sound. Blend. Word. Yep, you should have said night. All right, here we go. Last word. Sound. Sound. Blend. Sound. Blend. All right, that's our first syllable, okay? Second syllable has this, don't make the T sound again. You'll see in the word in a minute why that's there. But what does that sound with the ing? Yep, ing. Let's put it together. Sitting. And let's clap it out. Sitting. All right, now the reason I have this in parentheses here is because when we clap it out, we go, it's not sit-ting. When we say the word sitting, we don't do the t two times, we just go sitting. So that T is almost silent, even though it's doubled in the middle of the word, we don't really hear it two times. So it's just sitting, sitting. All right, great job, first graders. You did it. Tuesday, way to go. Get that work finished so that you can enjoy your afternoon because it's a short Tuesday. All right, guys, see you tomorrow.